In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule meetings in Microsoft Teams. This is a fantastic tool for managing your work schedule and making sure everyone is on the same page. So, let's jump right in. First off, you'll want to navigate to the Calendar option in Microsoft Teams. This is where you can view all your scheduled meetings, appointments, and even create new ones. Once you're in the calendar, take a moment to review your week and then choose the day and time when you'd like to schedule your meeting. For today's example, let's say we're deciding to set up a meeting for Wednesday at 6 p.m. Next, you'll need to give your meeting a title. This helps everyone understand the meeting's purpose at a glance. I'll go ahead and use weekly targets for this example, but you'll want to choose something that suits the meeting's agenda. Now comes an important part: inviting attendees. You can easily do this by typing in their names or emailing addresses into the invite section. For this demonstration, I'll enter a few placeholder names to show how it works seamlessly. Following that, you'll want to define the duration of your meeting. This is pretty straightforward. Simply enter how long you expect the meeting to last. For our little session, we'll set it for 1 hour and make sure the all-day option is switched off, since this session is quite definitive. If the meeting is a one-time event, just leave it on the Does Not Repeat option. However, if it's a regular meeting, feel free to adjust the settings here to schedule it daily, weekly, monthly, or even yearly, whatever suits your needs best. When it comes to setting a location, think about where the meeting will be based. Let's say it's in the break room for this example. Also, consider crafting a short message that provides additional context or instructions for the attendees. I'll add a simple line like, "Bring pen and paper to take notes." This way, everyone knows what's expected of them. At the top right, you'll see some options regarding meeting controls. In Who Can Bypass the Lobby, it's practical to leave it as Only Me. This gives you control over who can enter the meeting directly. Similarly, for Who Can Present, leave it set to Only Me unless you're planning a collaborative session. Finally, once you've reviewed everything, go ahead and press Send. Your meeting is now officially on the calendar. You have the option to copy the meeting link immediately or return to your scheduled meeting later to grab the link if needed. Just like that, your meeting is ready and waiting. And there you have it. You're now ready to schedule meetings like a pro in Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next one.